Hello, ladies and gentlemen. We have another unboxing video. I'm in the chapel sound booth right now because I'm doing elementary chapel in a moment here. But let's go ahead and open the newest package that arrived. So looks like it's two of the same item in here. These are power supplies for our cameras. We are in need of them because some of them broke. We had them for several years at this point. So there it is. That chunky block there. It's this kind of connection. There's the end that goes into the camera. And so we got two of those. Might sound silly, but these are super important. You know, if you don't have enough battery, you can't film. So we were having to share one charger for all our cameras. But now that problem's solved. It's two of the same thing, so I'm not gonna open them up. But anyway, that concludes this rather short unboxing. So this is what the fundraiser is for small things like this as well as bigger things. So we'll see you next time.